Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool for software engineers, but an actual engineer itself. A world where AI can create, debug, and fine-tune software independently and even train other AI models. This isn't the plot of a science fiction novel, but the reality that Cognition AI has brought to life with Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Born from the genius minds of coding experts Scott Wu, Stephen Howe, and Walden Yan, Cognition AI was given life by a hefty $21 million Series A funding, championed by Peter Thiel's Founders Fund. The trio envisioned an AI that could do more than just assist. They wanted a teammate, an equal, a tireless, skilled teammate, as Scott Wu puts it, and thus Devin was created. Output. Devin isn't your run-of-the-mill AI. It doesn't merely spit out code segments like OpenAI and Microsoft's Copilot. Devin is a class apart. It is an AI agent that takes natural language prompts and from them crafts an entire software project from scratch. It doesn't just code, it creates. Cognition AI has demonstrated Devin's prowess in a series of video demos, showcasing its adaptability, creativity, and autonomy across a wide range of software development tasks. In one instance, Devin proved its adaptability by successfully executing ControlNet on Modal to generate images embedded with concealed messages, all after reviewing a simple blog post. It showed that it could learn and adapt from inputs, a skill that is vital in the ever-evolving field of software engineering. Not just that, Devin also demonstrated its capability to handle end-to-end app development. It autonomously developed an interactive website simulating the game of life, managing the entire project lifecycle from incorporating features based on user requests to deploying the application on Netlify. Devin's skills don't stop there. It can also autonomously identify and rectify bugs within code bases. In a demonstration, Devin was shown maintaining and debugging an open-source competitive programming book, all without a single ounce of human intervention. And if that isn't impressive enough, Devin is also capable of training AI models. Given only a link to a research repository on GitHub, Devin autonomously set up and fine-tuned a large language model, pushing the boundaries of AI's role in software engineering. The introduction of Devin into the software engineering industry is a game changer. It's not just an AI, it's a teammate, a creator, a debugger, and an innovator. It's a testament to the future of AI in software engineering, a future where AI doesn't just assist but leads. It's a future where AI isn't just a part of the process, but the process itself. It's a future that is here today with Devin,